All right, check it out with Chuck time again. But today we're gonna look at the Jay Feather, the 27 BHB. Man, you gotta come down to see this one in person. Now I'm about to show you why. All right, a couple of quick features that this bad boy has. One, it comes with an outside grill. You're gonna set it right here. Gas quick connect underneath. You're out here grilling, having a good time. I love that. Now over here, right next to it, you've got your outside refrigerator. You got your nice utility drawer. This is gonna hold all your utensils, stuff like that. It is galvanized steel, so you don't have to worry about it staining, stuff like that. Easy cleanup. I really love that option. And nice little counter here. You can hold your margarita machine, blender, anything you like. There's a nice little power plug in the back. I don't know about you, but I like an outside door to a bathroom because I like to wave to the neighbors and the bears as they walk by as I'm doing my thing. Here's what's great about this unit as well. Nice queen size bed. This is more of a mom and dad unit that will also fit the kids. And let me show you what I mean by that. As we come around the corner here, this is normally a table. However, right now I have it shown to you that it can be a bed. So you can throw a couple little ones on there. And here's what I mean by the mom and dad trailer with the capability of kids. Nice couch right here, sitting right across from the entertainment center. Check that out. You can watch your TV, watch your movies at night when it's raining, perhaps, because you never know what the weather might be. And just a great option for the parents to be able to also sit right next to the kids while they're doing their thing. You can keep an eye on them. But check this out. Look at all that storage. Kids are gonna wanna bring bikes. You might wanna bring a kayak or something like that. You can just slip that right in there. Very easy. Another great feature on this one is the size of the kitchen and where it's located. Very good sized sinks. A little extended table here so you can do your cutting, things like that. Really makes it easy to make some sandwiches, little things like that for the little kiddos as they're going around. All right, thanks for checking it out with Chuck today. If you want to take a look at this model, because there is a lot more options and features on this thing that I can't just explain in a little couple minute video, but come on down, ask for me, and I'll be more than happy to show you around and show you why Jayco is one of the #1 brands on the market. Come on down.